everyone, it's mid-March and it's really exciting because it is tapping day. The trees are already running a little bit, but it's a really great day to be out here because it's about 35, it's really sunny, and the snowshoeing's great, so it's going to go really well. In terms of what I have here, I have my cheap setup that I do at home in terms of tapping our trees, which is a plastic tap and a blue tube. My dog is rolling around in the dirt over there, in the snow over there. So pretty cheapest way to get it because it's a lot less expensive than a metal tap. And then the blue hose, this blue hose is going to go to a plastic bucket. Again, cheaper option than a metal bucket. Plastic bucket, I got these for free, maybe costs about $1 or $2 a piece. This is going to sit on the ground, it's not going to hang. And I've drilled a hole into it the size of the blue tube just to help keep the tube in place. And then I'm going to cover the bucket with a metal lid, and these are from the extras from some extra metal lids that we had from the metal buckets that we use at our maple sugaring co-op. I have a drill that is mostly charged and hopefully won't take too long to drill. I went and put a piece of tape to mark the spot. It's about 2¼ inches in. That'll go into the sapwood, and then I have a hammer. So I have my tree here. I can see a few holes from past years of sugaring, so I'm gonna drill a different place at a slightly upward angle. This tree is really hard. Or my thing got bumped and it was on reverse. Okay, that seemed a lot better. The tree's already running, you can see it, it's already just dripping, drip that fast already. Put the tap in. I'm gonna place my bucket. I need to push into the snow because as the snow melts, the bucket's going to want to tip over. I've learned that one the hard way. I thread my tube through it. You can't see that, there you go. Thread the tube into the bucket, have the bucket on the ground, or on the snow, it's pushed in about 6 inches, and then put my metal thing on top. So you can't really see that, but that's what it looks like when it is all set. And then I just set this into a spot on the ground, and you can see it here. That's what it looks like. So now, a bunch more trees left to do, but it's going really well.